आप सभी को और विश्व भर में फैले भगवान बुद्ध के अनुयायियों को बुद्ध पूर्णिमा की बैसाख उत्सव की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Good morning, guys. I've just realized that it has become very difficult to wake up early in the morning. Not even early, it's already 8 a.m. and so I know I'm looking nasty. It's early in the morning, who even cares? These days I'm not getting to eat some fresh veggies because I wake up very late in the afternoon, and at the time all the vegetable markets will be closed. Before I would take bath, I think I should head towards market so that I'll feel fresh when I come back and take shower and then do my pujas, and so stay tuned. Guys, we're good to go. Mask on and gloves for safety and the road of Peacekeeper, and it's like quite normal. I really don't understand why people don't take things so seriously. Like gathering out here. Look at the crowd. I'm like, I'm scared. Thank you. Yeah, see this. Like, is it even a lockdown? Buy this stuff for my kitchen, and I bought some banana. So finally I'm back, and whew, it was so fucking tiring. And I couldn't believe that there was so many people out there in the market. I do understand that it's our daily need and we can't go without them, but still I really don't understand why people aren't trying to take this thing seriously. Some of them, as you could see, that some of them are without masks, some of them were so casual about it. I mean, not even trying to make a distance. It's so sad to see this thing. So I'm done. Okay, so my plan for the day is आज मुझे खीर बनाने का मन था, but then actually I was trying to make kheer. Not trying to, मुझे बनाना था खीर, but then उतना अच्छे से रेसिपी नहीं पता. So what I've planned is I will be preparing this vermicelli. Yes, सेवई बनाना है आज, and सब कुछ लेके रखा है. So let's get. I don't know how I cooked it, but I think I did quite well. Please guys comment down below how did I cook, because basically it's my first time. Yeah, I can say that. गैस बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि पक चुका है, I think so. एंड यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा निकाल भी दिया है, ऐसा प्रसाद में चढ़ा दूँगी भगवान को. So I'm done cooking. Ta-da! shi chok chu shang na chok pai san ge choi dang ge dong fak pe cho kun la cha cha da chi da shi shok Om Swasti Chok Som Gyalba Gyal Choi Den Tu Yi Chung Me Ken Po Sang Ge Lo Doi Ki Sa Pe De Chen Dak Song Tro Kon Gi Lo Na Choi Lang Ge Wa Ra Jen Tu Finally, I've completed my morning ceremony. I mean the puja ceremony. Basically, this is my religious book. I mean the Mani Monla book, and I got this when I was a kid. I mean, like when I was very young, we used to go as a kind of what do we say that? Here you go, guys, and it's a time to test whatever. It's good, not that bad. It's creamy as well. Let me enjoy this whole katori. I had fallen asleep and because सुबह बहुत जल्दी उठी थी, so इसलिए maybe I was tired. But then I slept for maybe 2 hours and I'm feeling fresh. So I think it's going to be a beautiful sunset. So let's go out on the terrace. I have got some fruits ready and yeah, I think we should go up on the terrace and enjoy the sunset. Just look at this. Like I told you guys, it's going to be a beautiful sunset. So, like I expected, beautiful golden hour. If I was not in a fasting mode, so he was there for my company. And if I wasn't in my fasting mode, I would have been with my coffee and biscuit, yeah. As this video is totally dedicated to the special day Buddha Purnima, and it was a sudden idea yesterday. I thought that I'll be dedicating this whole video on this topic itself. So let's talk about it. I miss my hometown today a lot, and in this day what we do is we visit Gumba, the religious place. Like we have a mandir, masjid and church. In the same manner, Buddhist people have also the religious place, that is Gumba, and we go out there. We have a huge ceremony of carrying the holy book on our head and making a round in a small town of about maybe hour or two, and then coming back and rejoicing the day, celebrating it. I miss being at home, being with family, our morning prayers. At this point of time during this isolation, we have got nothing much to do, so why not indulge ourselves in this kind of thing where we can be happy, where we can be healthy, where we can be peaceful from the inside out. So that was the main motive, and especially to all my viewers, to all my subscribers, I was so glad and so grateful that I got such a good number of support and love. The response which I got from you people was so overwhelming. I'm so grateful for that. Thank you all of you. And as I've started this YouTube journey, I just want to carry on with this. I just want to explore what exactly is this, and I just hope that all of you will stay together with me like this and see my journey through it. Thank you, all of you.